What's up, boys and girls? I wanted to drop in real quick and give you guys and gals a look at SoundCloud and how I go about finding music. There are many other ways that you can go about finding music. You can find music on YouTube, you can find music on other websites. I've used other places. That being said, I have found SoundCloud to be really helpful because of the way that I choose to browse it and choose to go through it and choose to kind of line stuff up for future projects, kind of. So go to SoundCloud.com. You don't have to necessarily have an account, but I would go ahead and sign up for one and kind of get logged in. That way you can save, keep track of things you like. And that's what I do. And so before I get into using the like and all that, what I want to show you is this is the first page you come to. And when I first came to SoundCloud, I didn't understand necessarily how to search properly either for what I was looking for. So just to give you an idea of what you want to do, when you do get to the page, top of the bar, search engine, go ahead and type whatever it is that you're kind of wanting to look for. And this is where over time you'll kind of start figuring out what you like to search to bring up certain kind of, I don't know, certain tagged type of audio. And what I mean by that is people upload their audio and they put, just like on YouTube, they put all kinds of tags and things that represent what it's about, right? Plus the search engine searches the titles and all of that. So when you search different, types of items, you're going to get different lists. And so it's interesting to type different things in and see what you get. For instance, mellow, chill, rap. I don't know. Let's just see. Mellow, chill, rap. So that's what came up, right? But this doesn't really give me much like to really go off of. What I'm looking for is I'm not looking for everything. I'm not looking for sound go and tracks. I am just looking for tracks. So now I have a list of tracks, and these are mellow, chill, rap. And so the next thing that I want to do is I want to filter this down to something that I can try to find downloadable content. So right here it says the little C, which is for the copyright, to listen to. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to change this to use commercially. Now, just because I switch it to use commercially doesn't mean that every song will be able to be used commercially for free. It just means that it's available to be either purchased or downloaded for free, one or the other. So now I've got 39 mellow chill rap tracks that are here, ready to go. I then, depending on my content, if I know that I'm looking for something longer, I can look right here and I can change the length from less than 2 minutes or more than 2 minutes to 10 minutes. Typically, those are the only two settings I use. Right now, we'll just leave it where it's at. Then you can go to add at any time. I don't typically use this except for once I find somebody that I've been using for a while. I might use this to kind of filter out their newer stuff versus their older stuff. But typically I don't do that. So right here, let's say, this is a song. So here we go. We're listening to our rap song. There you go. Something I might want to use. So can I use it? Aha. I can use it. I can download it. So that's one that's downloadable. Right here, this song, Chill Rap Instrumental, is not downloadable. So according to here, so what I can do is I can go into it. I can get a little more kind of data point here. This is the actual upload page. I can get more information. Sometimes you might find a website in this extra information that you can download from. But typically, if it does not have the drop down here, you're not going to find it. That being said, that's still fine, and you can still technically find this song, I'm sure, and use it, but you're going to be more likely to get tagged with a copyright infringement on stuff like Facebook. Really, is what you're looking at. So the one thing I did want to show you was if I click the heart right here, then it liked it, and it says up here that it was saved in my collection. So I don't even have to download it. I can go through a bunch of songs, find a bunch of different songs I like, click on them and like them or heart them, and then I can come back anytime and I can go right here, and here is where you're going to find all the songs that I like, right? And this is important for me because what I do is I use this to kind of give me an idea of what I've used in the past. So I have all of these songs I've used. I've downloaded every single thing here, obviously minus this. Um, Now, the other thing that it does is it lets me come back and go, man, I really like this artist here. So I'm going to click on that artist. And now I'm back already to where they have more music. And I can even see, oh, wow, 12 hours ago they had a new drop. I need to check that out because I like this music, right? And I might want to go ahead and use this coming up. So this is how I personally find my SoundCloud music. It's how I kind of keep it all in order and kind of keep everything, moving. So I just wanted to share that with you folks. There are again other outlets to find music. SoundCloud is just one of many. I personally really do like it because of all the information that it does give you when you do find a track. I can go in here, I can actually get all the information I need, the Creative Commons, everything, and move all that information over pretty quickly and easily. And really, I just like the fact that I can go type anything I want in here, like butter butter track. I don't know why. Let's just do it. Butter track. Look, man, I got cocoa butter, black butter, slab of butter, peanut butter, Dylan Francis, not butter. Anyways, that's SoundCloud. Fly safe, fly smart. Hey, just fly.